You've been on a couple of dates and things are going well. You've got a connection. She's laughing at your jokes, but you want to take it to the next level. You need to get inside her head and make her obsessed with you. We know, easier said than done, right? But with a few subtle mind tricks, you can spark her interest, win her affection, and make her yours. These techniques have been time-tested by experts in human behavior and psychology. When used properly, they tap into primal human instincts and emotions. But use them carefully, because with great power comes great responsibility. If you're ready to take the plunge and make her fall for you, watch on. These 5 mind control techniques will have her thinking about you day and night. 1. The importance of understanding her psychology. To get inside her head, you need to understand how she thinks. Women are wired differently than men, so their psychology operates on another level. Pay attention to the signals she sends through her body language and subtle cues. Look for signs like frequent eye contact, playful touches on your arm, or leaning in when you speak. These gestures mean she's engaged and interested in you. Show interest in the details. Ask follow-up questions about her friends, hobbies, and personal stories. The more you listen, the more she'll open up. This demonstrates that you value what she has to say. Compliment her in a genuine, thoughtful way. Tell her you appreciate her humor, kindness, or other qualities that make her who she is. But don't overdo it, or your words will seem insincere. Once you've connected emotionally, suggest an activity where you can bond over a shared experience. Try cooking a meal together, visiting a museum, or just grabbing coffee. Shared experiences create intimacy and memories that will bring you closer. Understanding her psychology and using these techniques to make an emotional connection will allow you to get inside her head, but never manipulate or be dishonest. Instead, show real interest in who she is. That's the secret to winning her over in the end. 2. Establish trust and rapport. To get inside her head, you need to make her feel like she can trust you. Build rapport by listening to her and showing genuine interest in learning more about her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Make eye contact, smile, and give her your full attention. Respond to what she says to show you're engaged. Say things like, "Tell me more about that," or "How did that make you feel?" Really listen for clues to connect with her values and interests. Once you've established a connection, start sharing information about yourself too, but don't dominate the conversation. Look for common ground and experiences you can bond over. For example, maybe you both love dogs, Italian food, or hiking. Discuss your shared interests to strengthen your rapport. If she starts opening up about personal details or stories from her past, she's beginning to trust you. Don't break that trust by judging or criticizing her. Instead, validate her feelings. Say things like, "That must have been difficult for you. I can understand why you felt that way. You seem like a strong person to have gone through that." Building trust and rapport is a process. Be patient, show genuine interest in learning who she really is, validate her feelings, and share details about yourself too. Do this, and she'll feel comfortable opening up, giving you insight into her mind and heart. 3. Read her body language and facial expressions. Your words give insight into your thoughts, but her body language and facial expressions provide a direct window into her mind. Pay close attention to the signals she's sending with her body and face. They often reveal her true feelings and opinions, even if her words suggest otherwise. Notice if she maintains eye contact. If she's engaged and interested in the conversation or in you, she'll keep glancing at you. Little to no eye contact can signal discomfort, distraction, or dishonesty. Watch for smiles and laughs. Real smiles crinkle the eyes and expose teeth, showing she's genuinely happy or enjoying herself. Forced or polite smiles don't reach the eyes. See if her smile fades quickly, which may indicate it's not authentic. Look for signs of nervousness like leg shaking, foot tapping, or hand wringing. She may not even realize she's doing these things, but they suggest she's uncomfortable or anxious. Pay attention to how open and relaxed her body is. Arms and legs crossed, tense shoulders, and clutched hands or objects are all defensive poses, indicating she's closed off or feels threatened. An open, relaxed stance shows comfort and openness. Notice if she mirrors your body language or posture. Mirroring is an unconscious sign of rapport and bonding. It means she's engaged and connecting with you. These techniques require practice to master, but with regular use, you'll get better at reading people and understanding what's really going on in their minds. Her body language and facial expressions can reveal a whole new level of insight if you know how to interpret the clues. 4. Mirror her words and actions. Mirroring is a powerful technique that builds rapport and connection. Pay close attention to the specific words, phrases, and physical actions she uses, then subtly imitate them. For example, if she says she's excited about something, later tell her you're excited to spend time together. Mirror the speed and rhythm of her speaking. Talk at the same pace and use similar inflections. Mirroring makes her feel like you two are in sync, and it activates the same parts of her brain as if she were looking in an actual mirror. This sense of familiarity and bonding will make her much more open to your influence and persuasion. Be very subtle with your mirroring, though. Don't directly copy everything she says and does or repeat her words back to her, or it will seem creepy. Simply use similar language, gestures, and vocal qualities as hers in a natural, organic way. With practice, mirroring can become second nature and a habit that builds instant rapport with anyone. 5. Create curiosity and mystery. To get inside her head, you need to spark her curiosity and create an air of mystery. Here are a few ways to do this. Tease her with snippets of information about yourself, but don't reveal everything all at once. Keep her guessing and wanting to know more. For example, mention an interesting hobby or skill you have, but don't elaborate on the details just yet. Be slightly elusive when making plans. Rather than spelling out exactly what you'll do together, keep things open-ended. For example, tell her you want to take her out for a fun surprise. The unknown will make her imagine all the possibilities. Pay her a compliment, but do it in an unexpected way. Rather than a generic, "You're beautiful," tell her something specific you've noticed about her personality, style, or talents that intrigues you. For example, "I love how you always see the bright side of things. Your positive energy is contagious." She'll be flattered by your perceptiveness. Maintaining an aura of excitement, spontaneity, and mystery will keep her interested and emotionally invested in getting to know you better. While total aloofness won't work, strategic doses of curiosity and elusiveness are mind control techniques that will have her thinking about you when you're apart.